Hi, don't lose yourself in a time like this, in a time of the fear, crisis. Don't lose yourself, because you have a power to create the reality around you. You have a power, you have a dreams, you have your soul, you have a spark of the universe. Don't forget that. Whatever you are now, whatever you feel, no matter how much you feel loneliness, remember your intentions can go to the universe, to the angels, to the spiritual guidance, can go around the world and find for you the answers you seek, the help you need. Don't forget that you can be architect of your reality.